Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mr. Ismail Jana, Magister Pendidikan as a lecturer of Business Economy English course. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sarisha Bukisania, class A1 AKR number 40. I will describe the tourist in Kudus, namely Jenang Mubarak Museum. Jenang Mubarak Museum is one of the tourist attractions in Kudus. It is located on Sunan Muria Street number 33, Belentengan Village, Kudus City. This museum has two floor buildings which are divided into two parts. The lower buildings is a Mubarak food outlet that provides Mubarak brand Kudus Jenang products with various flavors, along with a selection of other souvenir products. The Jenang Museum occupies the second floor. On the second floor, there is a classic and alluring interior room. In this room, there is information painted on an artistically crafted wooden board that contains a glimpse of the history of the origin of Kudus Jenang. From here, tourists learn that the entity of Jenang Kudus has existed for hundreds of years and is closely related to the figure of Sunan Kudus. The museum also depicts the process of making Jenang through a statue of a person stirring Jenang. Various Jenang making tools that were used to make Jenang are also displayed, so that they can bring visitors' imagination to the process of making Jenang from time to time. For example, there is a coconut grater, pounder, Jenang holder, mortar, Jenang processing mixer, and labeling machine. The museum also displays portraits of the founders and managers of the Mubarak brand of Kudus Jenang from generation to generation, which has now entered its third generation. However, Museum Jenang is not only about Jenang. The museum also depicts the history of Kudus in general, starting from the aesthetic building design in the form of a perimeter fence wall made of red bricks, which is reminiscent of the style of ancient Javanese royal buildings. Then in the middle there is a replica of the Holy Tower with dimension of approximately 6 meters height. There is also a miniature of the Menara Kudus Mosque and the tomb complex of Sunan Kudus. There is also the Kudus Traditional House in the Jenang Museum. The Kudus Traditional House, commonly referred to as Joglo Kudus, is one of the traditional houses of the Kudus people. This traditional house is also commonly called Atap Pencu, with a building model dominated by typical Kudus carving and reflects the acculturation of Javanese, Hindu, Persian, Islamic, Chinese, and European dance culture. In addition to displaying the history of Jenang from time to time and the history of Kudus through various replicas, dioramas, and portraits, the Jenang Museum also has a special room called the Kusjigang Room or Kusjigang X Building. Visitors to Museum Jenang can immediately enter and explore the various spots and displayed in this room. Among other things, in this room, visitors can read biographical or historical claims of Kudus scholars and past Kudus entrepreneurs. There is also the Al-Quran and Asmaul Husna gallery room, Omah Kembar and Fokker Mito Airplane, Omah Kapal and the Ukhuwah Trilogy Room, In the trilogy of Ukhuwah Rome, visitors can explore the stakes of brotherhood, especially in this context of the two largest Islamic organizations in Indonesia, namely Nahdlatul Ulama and Muhammadiyah. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.